Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to track any product items expiry date in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So first let's just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases, just click on it. Now just below the assets you will see here app release.apk, so just click on it to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let's just click on this open, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on open. On opening, you will see this kind of user interface, and at the bottom you will see some options here. The home, next is some instructions here, can decide, try randomizing, and last button is the settings. So under the settings you can set different options like food type settings. You can add more food type here depending upon your needs, so I'll just keep it as it is right now. Below there is the shelf life settings, date formatting settings, what type of date format you want to set. So I'll just keep the default one. Notification settings, you can enable the notifications. Theme settings, so you can customize the themes, and last one is about the application. So now in order to add your product item, just click on this plus. Now keep the name, any name, whichever name you want to keep. So let me give a name here. And now add your PD, which is the packaging date. So you can click on this packaging date and you can enter manually also. Say just enter this today's date, or you can check the product packet to check the packaging date. And now if you want to set the expiry date, just click on this button. Now the ED stands for the expiry date. Now you can click on this calendar icon and set the expiry date. Say in my case it's 15. Say just to give you an example, you can check the product package to check the expiry date, and below is a shelf life, so I'm not enter any shelf life here, and below is a type, so under which group you want to add this product. And now on the right side you will see here a camera icon. Just click on it, click on while using the app. Now let us take a picture of our food product, and now just click on this shutter button. So now we have taken the product picture, and now when all your settings are done, just click on this tick mark. Now you can see here the expiry date remainings. So by using this cool application named as Bridge, you can easily track any product items expiry date in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.